Hello students, welcome back in maths classes. Today we will solve question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 1.3. So these three questions and questions are very interesting students. These questions are taken from page number 14. Okay, so this is the page of the textbook, exercise 1.3, question number 4, 5 and 6. So let's start. And these questions are based on basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiply and division. Fourth question. A bottle contains a bottle contains 900 ml of oil. What is the total quantity? What is the total quantity of oil contained in 46 bottles, in 40 such bottles? So the question is, we should check it again. A bottle contains 900 ml of oil. What is the total quantity of oil contained in 40 such bottles? Okay. So this question is all about multiplication. Why? Suppose I ask you, cost of one marker is 30 rupees. What is the cost of 5 markers? That will be 30 into 5. It means a bottle, suppose this is a bottle, okay, and it contains 900 ml, and there are 40 such bottles. How many bottles? 40 such bottles. So what will be the total quantity of oil in 40 bottles? So for this purpose we will perform multiplication, and simply we write total quantity of oil equals, just multiply this amount with the number of bottles. It means it is 40 into 900 ml. It is ml. Ml means milliliter. So I hope you know the conversions. Means 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter and vice versa. You can say 1000 ml equals 1 liter. Now it is, you have to multiply these values. So just multiply the numbers, okay, except zeros. 9 4 ja 36 and put the zeros. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is the answer, 36,000 ml. But if it can be converted into liters, then it will be more convenient. So to convert milliliter into liter, just divide it by 1000. You can write it as 36,000 upon 1000 and write liter. So this is the method to convert milliliter into liter. Now easily you can cut 0. This is second 0 and this is third 0. The answer will be 36 liter. So this is the answer. Okay. It means the total quantity of oil contained in 40 bottles will be 36 liter. Pause the video and note it down. Next is question number 5, and all the questions are very easy. So the question is, if 45 kg and 450 gram of sugar, okay, if 45 kg, 450 gram of sugar be equally distributed among 15 persons, how much will each get? How much will each get? Solution. So the values are 45 kg and 450 gram, and there are 15 persons. What is the meaning of this question? Okay, means this is the total quantity and you want to divide this among 15 persons. Means you are going to distribute. Distribute means you are dividing something. So this is the case of division. Then how much will each get? So what you will write? You will write quantity of sugar for each person equals, so you have to divide this number by this one 15. So how will you divide? You have to write 15 kg, okay, upon 3 and plus 450 gram upon 3, because we know that this number is divisible by 15, this is also divisible by 15. So kilograms can be divided and grams also separately. So दोनों को हम separately divide कर सकते हैं, because ये practice पर depend करता है. If you are practicing regularly in maths, you can determine quickly that how this question is to be solved. Then in the next step you will obtain the answer as 3 5 ja, sorry, it is 45 kg, okay, 45 45. Now it is 15 kg, because 45 is divided by 3, quotient will be 15, and plus it can also be divisible, so it is 150 gram. Now you can write 15 kg 150 gram. Okay, there is a mistake in the question, so it is 3, not 3, it is 15. It is 15. It will be 3 and 30. So the answer will be 3 kg 30 gram. Okay, by mistake I have done 3, but it is 15. So divide this number by 15. It is easily divisible. 15 3 ja 45. It is also 15 3 ja 45. It is 0. So we will write 30. The answer is 3 kg 30 gram. So students, pause the video and note. Next question is sixth question. What is the sixth question? It is about all about addition. So I read the question. In an election, you know what is the election? The winning candidate got 7,26,249 votes. His nearest rival got. What is the meaning of rival? Okay, means when you are studying mathematics, your English will be more stronger. What is the meaning of rival? It is a competitor in the same field. Means जिस फील्ड में आप कुछ कर रहे हैं उसी फील्ड में आपका कोई कॉम्पिटिटर होता है उसे राइवल कहते हैं. So the nearest rival means got 5,26,351 votes, and third candidate got the values, and 2285 votes were declared invalid. So what was the total number of votes polled in that constituency? Yes, this is the case of addition. You have to add all the values. Means we will write total number of votes polled equal, just add all the numbers. So first number is 726,249. Next is 526,249. 3 5 1. Third value is 4 5 4 6 0, and last value is 2285 2285. Add all the values, so you will obtain the number of total votes polled. So I hope you will add all these numbers. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 5 15, 1 carry. This is 5 plus 5 10, 16 plus 8 24, 2 carry, 12 to 4, this is 7 11, and this is 13, 1 carry. This is 7 and 6 13, plus 5 18, plus 2 20, 2 carry, 2 to 4, 4 2 6, and 6 4 10, 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, and 8 plus 5 13. So students, answer of this question is 13,345. Okay, so it is 1300345. This is the answer of 6th question. You have to just add all these values. Okay, now I hope you understood these questions, question number 4 5 and 6 of exercise 1.3, and honestly solve the questions given in your homework. For that, best of luck.